A stunning woman can be compared as purgatory in your pocket, hell in your soul, and heaven in your eyes. A man pursues a woman hoping to get caught by her. Instead of telling a woman that she's attractive, tell her that no other woman is like her and that doors will open for you. Ask a man what you would like said. Ask a woman to do something for you. Like ladies, wonder and paintings are best enjoyed without trying to understand them. A beautiful woman's beauty is similar to music. Using your hat as a weapon, strike a woman and flee. Ladies who fail to assist other women have a designated spot in hell. Always be skeptical of information you hear. A lady, stories originate from a woman who can't compete with her or from a man who can't have her. The radical idea that women are people is known as feminism. By nature, women are scientists. By literature, males are. Consider yourself a queen, for she does not fear failure. Another route to greatness is failure. If you dress perfectly, they will remember the woman. If you dress shabbily, they will remember the garment. A woman's entire life is an accumulation of her loves. An optimist is a man who hopes women are good. A pessimist is a man who believes all women are evil. Though the crow may be the one doing the crowing, the hen lays the eggs. A woman's age has no bearing on anything, though the oldest fiddles play the greatest tunes. Usually, a woman who follows the crowd won't go much farther than it. A woman walking by herself is probably going to end up somewhere no one has ever gone before. Positive outcomes for Black women benefit almost every aspect of society. One of the two languages spoken by women is verbal. A woman's eyes reveal her true beauty since they serve as the portal to her heart, which is the location of love. Be the protagonist of your life rather than its victim. Above all, men can use women in 3 ways: to love them, to suffer for them, or to use them as literary subjects. Women are learning that they are unable to rely on the chivalry of men to deliver justice to them. Like a teabag, a woman's strength is often unknown until she finds herself in a sticky situation. And a girl can take on the world if she is given the appropriate shoes. Often, women's intuition is more accurate than men's logic. When a woman wants to get into a relationship with you, she will tell you that she is looking for a man and will constantly compliment you on your life.